Hi guys, so this is Marian talking. So that's me. So today I'm coming to take you through the step-by-step process I went through in making this wig. Okay, so this is my first time making a wig on a canvas head. So just had to film. I had to film to show you guys. Yeah, I can make a wig on a canvas head. Yeah. Well, this was the process. Before I started, I laid my closure down and then I sewed my closure. It's the normal process everybody go through when making a wig, okay? And then after I was done making the closure, I decided to cut my guidelines. I do all my wigs with a machine, okay? I don't do hand sewing. All my wigs are made with a machine, and before you make a machine wig, you have to create the guidelines according to the number of bundles you have. And I had just 2 bundles, meaning they are not enough, so the intervals had to be big. So I did a 2 inches interval from the back. Okay, but when I was getting to the closure, I decided to do just 1 inch interval because we can't have too much spacing at the top. And I created this asterisks lines just to tell myself that I'll bring some of the bundles at the back in case some of the bundles remain, but none remained. Then I started making my wig. Like I said, I make machine wigs. I teach students how to make machine wigs. Okay, every month I organize a class where I teach people how to make beautiful wigs with a machine. Okay, so when I was done, I sectioned it and it was time to straighten because I was about to cut the hair and create a bob wig. Okay, and you can't create a bob wig or cut a hair without straightening the hair. Some people cut whilst it's crumpy like this, but for me, I don't like it. I have to straighten it out. I have to flatten. I have to straighten before I cut it. Okay, I want to have the whole length. Okay, so this was when I was doing. I was using a Remington straightener. I'm using a Remington straightener and a BBL flat hot comb. Okay, you have to use good tools. I always say you have to use good tools, either ceramic or titanium straighteners in making your wig. And we all know bone straight wigs or bone straight bundles always comes in steps. So I had to cut it. Okay, and I'm using a heavy duty stand, and I when I'm about to cut, I always have to lengthen the stand so that I can see the actual length and cut it properly. Okay, and then I went in with my clipper. I'm using a Benetton clipper. You always have to use a good clipper, a clipper that's sharp. Okay, you just don't get up and then cut it with anything. Use a good clipper. Okay, but if you're a beginner and you can't handle a clipper, you can use a scissors. Okay, some people are afraid of using a clipper. Well, clipper doesn't cut the fingers. So this was when I was done, and just look at how beautiful it was looking. The blush straight was given, but the client wanted it as a bob wig, and this was when I was bobbing it. Guys, I was in love with the hair. Like, bone straight is one luxury hair that, like, when you do it, you yourself like, damn, this wig is nice. Yeah, this was it. So after I was done bobbing, actually I wore it to see how it came out, and it's in the final video when I wore it. Okay, so please stay tuned and look at it when I wore it. Like, loves, the wig is looking beautiful. Please, if you want to learn how to do this, join my machine wig making class. And also, you can bring your bundles for wig making, or you can buy from me. I can provide the hair bundles and make the wig for you. Okay, I'm located at Adenta Assemblies bus stop. Just look at how beautiful the wig was looking. So last, contact me for all your wigs and then your